While traveling between Bhabua and Audhora, one gets to see Telhar Kund. The fall is just a few kilometers away from the main road towards village Barra. It is located about 20 kilometers before reaching Bhabua town at the Dhuilya village in the Kaimur district of Bihar. Telhar Kund is the name of a waterfall located on Bhabua, Audhora Road in the Kaimur district of Bihar, India. It is one of the very few waterfalls in Bihar. Its most spectacular feature is that it has no pond or other stream for water to fall into after being dropped from such a great height. Rather, it flows back down into a ditch and then into the river Gandak, from where it presumably emerged in the first place. People from many places come here to see this rare sight. It's a wonderful place for picnic and outing nearby Bhabua and Audhora Road. We have produced this video with a team of youngsters who visited this place recently.
Subscribe to our channel to see more interesting videos.